Net for Mobility project is a network of national contact points supporting the Marie Sklodowska-Curie actions, funded by the European Framework Program for Research and Innovation. The project assists researchers of all nationalities and disciplines all over the world. These actions enable mobility of researchers from one country to another, experiencing other research environments such as companies and academic institutions. Marie Sklodowska-Curie innovative training networks bring together universities, research centers, and companies from different countries worldwide to train a new generation of researchers. The ANSWER ITN project aims to train a new generation of early-stage researchers in the field of sustainable and safe urban wastewater reuse by tackling existing important challenges. Among these challenges are the spread and fate of antibiotics, antibiotic-resistant bacteria, and resistance genes under wastewater reuse scenarios, evaluating the efficiency of innovative technological solutions to minimize the presence of such contaminants through wastewater treatment, assessing the potential biological effects of antibiotics when present in nature, and developing a modeling framework capable of predicting the fate and assessing the associated risks when such contaminants are present in the environment.
The ITNs are quite prestigious awards, so they can act as a scientific quality label, not only for the early stage researchers, but also for the principal investigators. Within our project, we have created a very dense scientific network that has opened new horizons through which I have so many new scientific ideas for the years to come. Bottom-up approach that is applied in the Marie Curie ITN project is truly multidisciplinary and intersectoral and is very valuable for such environmental problems. We have used multiple communication channels in order to be able to attract highly talented young scientists, and I must admit that we have been quite successful, quite blessed, and we have now on board 15 very bright young scientists.
I am very proud of being a Marie Curie Fellow, and I am sure that this position will open new professional opportunities in the future. By working with 14 other early-stage researchers who are people with different personalities, nationalities, and scientific background, and by sharing knowledge and experience, we have all together managed to create a very strong scientific family.
We are working very closely with the NCP here in Cyprus. They are supporting us during every step, during the proposal preparation. They pre-screen the proposals and they can give you valuable hints and tips.
Net for Mobility is here for you. Explore your possibilities. Find your local NCP. www.netformobility.eu. Net for Mobility project is a network of national contact points supporting the Marie Sklodowska-Curie actions, funded by the European Framework Program for Research and Innovation. The project assists researchers of all nationalities and disciplines all over the world. These actions enable mobility of researchers from one country to another, experiencing other research environments such as companies and academic institutions. FP7 ITN Action gives funding for training aimed at improving career prospects of young researchers. Alexander Pajkanovic was awarded an FP7 ITN Marie Curie Fellowship at the Faculty of Technical Sciences, University of Novi Sad in Serbia.
This project enabled me to do integrated circuit design right here in Serbia at a university and to pursue my PhD in this highly complicated area.
Senseiver project was created by a network of leading researchers in the fields of wireless sensors and transceivers for application in environmental parameters monitoring. The main goal of the project is to create a diversified environment, enriching the knowledge and skills of young scientists and improving their career prospects.
Over the course of the 3 years while I worked for this project, I managed to travel over 100,000 kilometers. I visited countries where I would never probably go on my own. The most of us are early stage researchers, which basically means just graduated from masters And this is why this position is really great for a person just entering the research or academia career, because it allows meeting and working with extraordinary people. I met and acquired friends which are for life. It showed us how different people from different backgrounds, with different beliefs, can actually make things to work.
The coordinator of the project is Professor Goran Stojanovic from the Faculty of Technical Sciences, University of Novi Sad.
For me, it's a great pleasure that Alexander succeeded in academic career. Now he is a teaching assistant. I believe that after defending PhD thesis, he will obtain the title of assistant professor.
The greatest challenge for me was that I actually had never the opportunity to do this. So even though I had masters in electronics, it was done at a different level, on different topics. Now, after these 3 years, I feel quite successful in this, and as I have managed to measure not only my chips from our colleagues from Porto, from Stuttgart, I think the interconnection between us is the most important, because now, after this project, there is 20 of us who are ready to cooperate on a much higher level. One of our colleagues is actually having one of his designs of sensors. Right now it's being commercialized. I would like to thank the leading persons of the consortium of the project, the NCP network. And I would also like to mention that during Sensiver, 5 babies were born.
Net4Mobility is here for you. Explore your possibilities. Find your local NCP. www.net4mobility.eu